bracing for another bout of extreme weather. Lows over the weekend headed to the single digits. Savannah?
All right.
Highway horror. A FedEx truck slams into a 100-car pileup in Fort Worth. Look again, the driver can't stop. This is the crash from another angle.
Oh!
Car after car crash into each other on I-35, which is coated in a slick sheet of ice that made driving so treacherous. Witnesses are shocked, helpless to do anything.
Oh, he's gonna crash into them. Oh!
Blanketed with snow and glazed with ice, homes in Texas are burning. This part of the United States isn't used to freezing.
Still Lake in the First Colony area. Firefighters say when they got there, the children's mother and her friend were inside, but they were able to get out. The grandmother and the 3 children did not make it out. Officials still don't know the exact cause, but they say the family may have lit a fireplace and candles to keep warm. The neighborhood where the fire happened had been without power for about 8 hours.
A frozen pipe burst at Kiana Vance's downtown Dallas apartment parking garage leaked water all over her car. By the time she realized what happened,
I was like, oh my gosh, that's my car.
it was frozen.
It's crazy. Half the lake is frozen. The poor ducks. It's crazy. K&G up. We're There's no power. Oh my God.
Is not used to weather like this with another round of...
Is this really America? People lining up at outdoor pipes for fresh...
The governor of Texas has called for an investigation into why services failed and for the state's power grid to be improved. In the meantime, millions will endure another night without power, and the cold isn't expected to ease up until the...
For an investigation into the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, that's ERCOT, and he wants the organization to come up with solutions to make sure the state never experiences an outage like this one.